can you sell a product with an expiration date? And the answer is absolutely yes. This is how you do it. There's a best used by or a sell by date, and then there's an actual expiration date. So the sell by date or best used by date is basically when you want to sell the product by. That way it has about 30 days of shelf life. Usually if you look in fast food places or you look in grocery stores or different stores like that, they have a best by or a used by, best used by, and then an expiration date. Expiration date is when it is expired and you cannot digest it, you cannot consume it or use it, it's spoiled, it will get you sick, it'll smell horrible, so on and so forth. So Amazon will ask you for these questions depending on the category that you're in, and you have to have these dates legible on your actual packaging. Now, they don't require that you have the used by or best used by and the expiration. You do need to have the expiration date, especially if it's a consumable or digestible product, but it's often good to have both if you can have this in your listing. So depending on the category or subcategory, again, before ordering, make sure that you get ungated in the category or subcategory if it is gated. And we talk about that in another video. You can search around on the channel for that in reference to gating versus ungating. And we'll explain how to do that whole process. But once you realize and identify that this product is ungated, you are ungated and you can sell it, just make sure that when you go to print your bottles or your packaging that you have a legible, visible expiration date. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.